Welcome to freefocusdance.com. I'm Bush, and I'm going to teach you how to do the Apache Stomp. So the Apache is a very basic breaking move. This is one of the cool moves that most people like to do. It's very, very attached to breaking. When people see people break, this is one of the most common top rock moves that will be used. Basic move, although it has a few steps that make it a tiny bit complicated, but any level can learn this. So try it over and over and you'll pick it up pretty quick. So we're going to break this down into steps and show you guys how to do this on both sides. So we're going to start with our right foot and we're going to do a kick and hop back, just like we would do for a kick and rock. The same kicking motion. Kick, drop, kick, drop. When I kick my foot out, I'm going to use my knee and kick at my ankle so that I have a kick, very small kick, and I'm going to replace my weight with my left foot to make sure it's under my core. So I'm going to kick and slide back so I catch my weight. When I catch my weight, I'm going to fall onto my lifted foot, my right foot. I'm going to just drop and let the back foot come up as well. Kick, slide back, drop, let the other foot lift up. And then we're going to repeat the pattern on the other side. So left foot will kick, right foot slides back, and we're going to drop, let the other foot come up, and repeat the pattern. Kick, drop, kick, drop, kick, drop, drop. And if you do it a little bit quick, it looks like a running motion, running in place, because we're always sliding back. Let's go to the next step to this. We have kick, drop. Now we're going to take our left leg, which is in the air. We're going to wrap it around in a circle in front of our right leg. And we're going to place our toe on the ground where our knee, back of the knee meets the top of the right knee. So swing around, left leg, knee comes over the right knee, place like this, and then we're going to lift up our back foot for step 3. And we're going to try to imagine there's a ball in the air right here, and we're going to try to kick it like a back soccer ball kick. Kick, drop, swing, and as soon as we put our toe down, we're going to kick at the same time. Kick. We're going to keep our chest and our head facing forward. We're going to twist our hip and try to only twist our hip while isolating our chest and our head forward. So we're going to kick, drop, come around and kick up, and then have our body and head still facing forward. Kick, drop, Apache. Okay, do it one more time. Kick, drop, Apache. And we're going to try to get that Apache both feet at the same time. A nice kick, and only use our hips, keeping our head and body forward. Kick, drop, Apache. Then we can do the whole thing on the opposite side. Kick to the left, drop on the left, swing around on the right. Apache, we're going to try to combine the middle move so that we're always swinging our foot. Kick, drop, Apache, back. And instead of replacing this foot back down, I'm going to use it to swing around and kick. This is how we're going to be able to go side to side without taking that extra step. Kick, drop, Apache, comes down, the leg swings, and it's going to kick forward. Left side, come back, the right foot, it's going to swing and kick in a circle, and now we can combine that. If you want to know what to do with your arms, you can sort of leave them relaxed in counter opposition. If I'm walking, then my arms and legs are opposite opposite of each other, so I can do that same thing. I can kick, drop. When I Apache, my right and left are opposite. Other side, leave my hands opposite. I can kind of relax in and come out. In, out, in, out, in, out. I can just swing very naturally. Do a few variations within it. And there you go. This is freefocusdance.com. I'm Bush, and you just learned how to do the Apache.